Hey babes, hi guys, you are welcome to the Jennifer channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and if not the first time, welcome gang. So guys, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself for this beauty right here, especially this cheek area. I don't know, like I'm seeing pink blush gold glitter, and I smile, my face just blossom, and my eyes. Okay, honestly, I don't know why I am wearing a hoodie and with this all freaking lights in front of me, because I am boiling hot. I am boiling hot. Anyway guys, for today's video I am going to be doing a storytelling, a story time. So unfortunately I don't have food or drink or mukbang to be chewing or drinking while I'm telling you the story. I do have a drink. I don't want to open it, so you're gonna just listen to me there. For today's story time, I'm gonna tell you the time where someone spat in my eyes, or the time where I start using an eye drop. That's a bit of a story and a fact. It actually happened to me. The story behind me using an eye drop: I started using an eye drop early this year, about 4 months ago. And before, all my life, I don't know that you can use an eye drop for different purposes. Like, for example, if you got a tired eyes, there's eye drop for that. But I was always thinking is that eye drops are for those that wear contact lenses. Eye drops are for those that wears eyeglasses or a recommended lens glasses, or prescribed glasses. That's where people that need eye drops to regulate their eyes and whatnot. None in my family wear glasses except for my elder sister, but that is not genetically, why she wears glasses, or just something that she something happened in her life that made her to start wearing glasses. You get what I mean? So my dad, my mom, my older siblings, we don't wear glasses in our family. So we're so gifted and blessed, and I thank Almighty God for that. Everybody have different eyesight, long eye, short sighted, whatever. So I never knew, or I never used to think that I need eye drops, yeah. So until this very incident happened to me, and that prompts me to start using the eye drops. So just listen for the story. Before this incident happened, over the years, we wear makeup. I wear makeup. I always, take my makeup off. There's always that inside that goes in our eyes. And sometimes you have something they call high mucus or high poop. That's just normal. Something, you sleep and wake up, you see in the edge of your eyes, or like crying, like tears or something like that. And I always feel like when you cry, anything that's in your eyes comes out. And the one thing I do hate, my pet peeve, is for my eyelashes to fall inside my eyes. There's nothing more painful. Okay, I don't know. That thing is so painful when your own eyelashes decide to break and fall inside your eyebrows and start poking you left and right. That shit is painful. So with that, I always make sure I dip into my eye clearly. Look how I'm gonna get that hat, because that is gonna be uncomfortable for the rest of the day. So I always have my way of dealing with that. So on this very day, me and my friends, we're planning. So we're going out for one of our friends' birthday party. Yay! I got ready, our makeup, everyone got ready. We got to this venue. Yes, seated. Okay, it's in the night, you're in a building, everywhere is a bit dark. You can see a little bit those disco lights, drinking and eating. Nothing is going on, nothing like something is going on, but like I'm not expecting anything to happen to my eye. I'm not expecting someone to spit in my eyes. Guys, nobody will sit down or stand and you let another adult vividly, purposely spit, put saliva in your eyes in the midst of COVID-19. Damn, no. Okay. This happened by mistake, so that's why it's a bit of a joking video, joking funny thing. It's not that this person they did it deliberately or purposely. It's just accident. It happens. We talk and our saliva do come from our mouth, whether we know or unknowingly. Mistakes do happen. I was sitting down facing this way, which is the door, and I got a friend sitting down with me. We were talking. So one of the celebrant of that day, who was doing birthday, she came to my side and she was greeting everybody. So she greeted me. I was like, okay. Then she greeted the next person, and they were having two-way conversation. So I was just in the middle of the conversation. Then I was still mesmerized by the celebrant because I did, a makeup. So I was like, wow, I am really impressed with what I did. I'm like, damn, she's so beautiful. How did I do that? I also carried away and looking at, my friends' makeup, and just admiring the way she was talking. And she was talking, I know, like, I've seen some saliva flying out, but I'm not going to expect them to eat me. And even if they do hate me, I'm expecting the salivas to hit me on, like, my surface, my skin, stuff like that. Not directly eat on my heart. It's like, fam, I am not expecting that at all. Like, this thing just took me unaware. So as I was looking like this, and she was talking, and I saw, God, Allah, I swear, I saw a big round choking saliva flew from her mouth as she was speaking. And I was looking at saliva flying. I'm like, fam, where are you going to? Are you going on my head, on my hair, on my this, or that? Fam, I was looking at it coming. Yeah, because the person was turning like this, and I was looking like this, and I see them talking, I see the spit flying. I never in a 2 million years think that that thing was targeted, heading straight to my eyeballs. It's not just like my eyelashes cut. Sometimes you see some flies, fly towards you, and your eyelashes tend to catch it, or we have to protect that part of our eye. So I thought my eyelashes cut the saliva. No, fam. The saliva fell right into my eyeballs, like where you have the brown bits and the white bits, mixed together, like literally in the center of the black pupils. Okay, fam. Yeah, it fell in there. As I shut my eyes immediately, thinking that I cut the saliva on my eyelashes so I can clean it off, stuff like that. No! I closed my eyes, the moist in my eyes mixed with that saliva right there and there. And the first thing that came to my head, like, I cannot react. I am not gonna react. I am not gonna shout and say, yo, if it's someone I don't know, yes, I will react because it's someone I know and I care about. I just have to take it by the hands. I just have to bury it. And what else was going through my mind, like, fam? How am I gonna get rid of someone's body where saliva from my eyes? God, there's no amount of water can do that. 2, it's COVID-19. Hope this person does not have COVID. Oh God. And 3, I was putting on makeup. I was in a social gathering. And there's little I can do to, scratch my eyes and try and remove any living freaking thing from that saliva. It's already mixed with my eye liquid already, but I want to try and like clean it. I did a little bit, but obviously I was ruining my makeup. But I just thought before I went to bed, my eyes was itching me. I see from the from the clubbish bar we were coming from, where the incident happened. After I tried to remove the saliva from my eyes was already itching me already. My left, like, it happened to this eye, so my left eye was already itching me. I'm like this throughout the day until I went to bed and sleep. My eyes was itching me. So the next day I went to visit a friend. Okay, so the next day I had an appointment to go somewhere, which I went to, and okay, my eyes was itching me throughout that day, and I was like, I can't wait to finish and go and buy this thing. I can't wait. But I kept itching it. My eyes kept twitching. I kept washing. So, and what happened was I went into the kitchen. Okay, I want to get a biscuit, to eat or to get someone. And the biscuit was on a shelf. Yeah, the shelf was above me. So literally, I'm gonna look up while trying to get the biscuit. So the biscuit is in a container on top of a shelf, which was above me. So I reached for that container, unknowingly realizing that there was something on top of the box, yeah, that was already open. I did not know. I knew there was something on top of the box. Obviously, that's why I'm trying to get the box so I can remove it and take whatever I need. I can't reach the thing to remove it first before I take the bus, if you get me. So I never knew that this stuff that was on top of the box I needed to get my biscuit from was clearly open. Immediately I lift the box here. I was just trying to lift it. Yeah, guys, okay. I'm trying to lift the box here like this, and bring it down. I lifted it like this, and it tipped over a little bit, and I saw the item being opened, and I tried to stop because it was all pouring down on me. One or two particles from this thing that was open on top of the box of biscuit flew, and it flew into my eyes. And guess what eyes it went to? My left eye. The eye that someone spat in, or someone's saliva landed in a night before, and the next day, Belvita biscuit flew into my eyes. It got loose particles. At this point, I was so hungry. There's nobody I can blame other than myself for not being careful, for not looking before acting. And now my eyes is double itching. Okay, I went to the tap, washed my eyes. Good thing I wasn't wearing makeup, so I washed my eyes immediately. Tried to take any little bit of, the biscuit out, go to the mirror and everything. Fine. I could not see anything, but kind of it's gone. But no one knows what goes on in the back of your eye. Obviously we have a back of a eye. No one knows all the that's in there. But my eyes was hella hitting and scratching. It became reddish, guys, very red. So immediately I finished from this place and I was going home. I stopped at the pharmacy. I'm like, nah, I am not gonna go home until I buy an eye drop. Okay, I don't care what it's for, I just need an eye drop to suit my eye. So I went to the pharmacy. I looked at an eye drop. There's eye drop for shooting eyes, eye drop for tired eyes, eye drop for itching eyes. I'm like, yes. I didn't care how much it cost at that time because my eyes is important to me. So I bought a soothing eye drop for itching eyes, and this was from Optrex, and it cost me £5 to get it. And I also bought an eye drop from Morrison. It cost me like £2.50 to get it. I don't care. And that one was for like tired eyes, because sometimes your eyes is awake throughout the whole day. The humid, the weather, the dust and everything goes into our eyes, and what we don't see, it's in there, but we don't see it. It's dirt. Eye drops clear everything. So when I got home, I put the eye drop in my eyes, my left eye, that I had all this incident happen to me twice. I put the eye drop twice. Like, you put 2 to 4 drops, as much as you want. Good thing that it didn't come like, oh, you have to have like 6 drops in a day. No, you can put as much as you want. It's just like water, but it's a medicated water for the heart, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so I did that in less than 30 minutes or 10 minutes. My eyes was not itching me as before. It was watering. It was clearing up. I was so amazed and I was so grateful, and I thank my star for choosing to have an eye drop. And that was the story behind me using a eye drop. And ever since then, I never went back. Whenever I go to bed, I remove my makeup, eye drop. If I'm outside and I feel it's too windy, I put some eye drop and I wear my glasses, or I remove my glasses and I wear my eye drop. Glasses make sunshade, so yeah. And whenever I feel like there's dust, hair fly into my eyes, eye drop. So yeah guys, that is the story time, the story behind, you know, me start wearing an eye drop, and it became part of my everyday life, and I am so grateful that the choice I made was very, very useful. So I recommend this to you guys, highly recommend this, because you don't know where something's gonna go into your eyes, you don't know what is gonna go into your eyes, but whatever it could be, if it's something you can prevent, if it's something you can get rid of, just invest in an eye drop. It could be food, spice going to your eye. You know, we all have had that when we were younger. Why not invest in something that is gonna help, be helpful to your health as well? But for now, I am gonna just end this video right here. I hope you guys enjoy this story time. It's really fascinating for me to even be talking about it. Like, it's a crazy scenario, it's a crazy story. It did happen to me, so you know, I'm laughing over it now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That means slap a like on this video. Leave your comment below. I want to know your thoughts on what you think about, you know, my story. What's your experience with anything going into your eyes, and what have you done to get rid of it or rid of them? And guys, don't forget to, you know, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and if you're still my return subscriber, you haven't subscribed yet, Tona will fire you, so subscribe. And for anything else, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon so you get notified whenever Jennifer upload a video on YouTube. Okay, and not today guys, I am going to be seeing you in my next video. I want you to take care of yourself and be nice to others. If you don't love yourself, who's going to love you? And peace. Don't forget to watch my previous video, which is going to be right here. Yes, I have decided to leave 2 of my videos for you to catch up with. It could be the high video today's or the makeup look today's, who knows, but watch it.